here from Just8ate.com, and today I'm going to be showing you how to do cilantro lime rice. Let me expand your mind on how I made this dish. Alright, let's hit the kitchen.
Yeah.
Definitely hit the red subscribe button and the bell, and since you're right there, hit the share and the like button. Why not? Sunflower oil, 1 cup of washed rice. Make sure the rice is fully sauteed with the oil. Listen to the crackling. Now that it's been simmering for 8 minutes in medium heat, it's ready for some onions, garlic. Saute that together. 1 cup chicken broth. Stir it around. Put a lid on it. Let it simmer for 8 minutes on low heat. While the rice is cooking, let's go ahead and get our lime cilantro going. So we have 1/4 cup of lime juice. And I have some chopped up cilantro here and put it in here. Mix that in. Now, it's up to you, but if you want it finely chopped, this is what I do. Grab my food scissors and kind of cut it up. Now, you could actually use the bottom stalk of the cilantro. Don't waste nothing, remember? So, this is a great alternative to the stalk of the cilantro. Turn it into mush like so. Alright, so it's been simmering and that's how it looks like. It looks pretty good. Now we're going to add a total of 3 tablespoons of butter. And stir it in. So when you're stirring in the butter, you want to scrape from the bottom of the pot here. Okay, that's how we're going to stir in or toss in the butter. Okay. Lift it from the bottom. As we fluff the rice with 3 tablespoons of butter, now we're ready to put in our cilantro and lime mixture. Kind of just toss it in lightly. Give it a stir. Check it out! I made cilantro lime Mexican rice. And so definitely hit the red subscribe button and the bell so you get notified whenever we upload another video. And hey, definitely hit the like button and the share button because you might have some family and friends that are interested in this recipe. Hey, did you know that we give out shout outs for the people that actually comment down below? Yeah, so comment down below to let me know if you have tried this before. And that being said, here's the shout out of the week from the last uploaded video. Easy salmon stir fry, Mexican cilantro lime rice. Did you know that we did a cookbook? Check out our link in the description box below. And remember, friends,
expand your mind, explore your palate, and let's keep chasing the flavor, my aiders.
I'll see you in the next video.
I'm Asian and my husband's Mexican, so this is why we end up having these two together. But they go well together, so definitely check out the easy salmon stir fry recipe if you're interested, and or vice versa. All right, see you in the next video. You've gotten to this point of the video. I really appreciate you. You've watched the entire video. Check out my YouTube channel for other recipes.